2013 Infiniti Fx37 all-wheel drive. Starter motor removal. You will notice that on all-wheel drive models, axle is blocking starter's way out. Fortunately, there's a way to remove the starter without completely removing the axle. To make sure this works, remove outer tie rod from knuckle, unbolt axle, and lower ball joint to rotate knuckle out of the way. Next, with the starter hanging, disassemble starter solenoid and remove. With solenoid removed now, you can maneuver out starter motor through axle frame. Jerk axle inward to clear rubber boot when maneuvering starter motor out. For installation, there's no need to remove solenoid. Since you are pushing rubber boot in, there shouldn't be getting stuck, just push firmly. If you encounter any issue, then reverse the process of removing solenoid and reinstalling once starter is through. We ran into the issue of not wanting to remove axle from inside, since we didn't have a clear path to loosen axle's bolts freely without removing more suspension parts. Therefore, we found this more convenient at that moment.